Now, for handling mouse related event, we have two listeners. First is mouse listener and second one is mouse motion listener. Now, let's try to understand. First, mouse listener. What is mouse listener? So, whenever you are not moving your mouse and you are trying to implement, you are trying to perform some mouse related event, then that all events are available within this mouse listener interface. Okay, and the event class for mouse listener interface is mouse event. This mouse event class will be common for both of these interfaces, mouse listener as well as mouse motion listener. And whenever you are moving your mouse, whenever you are dragging your mouse, then to handle that related events, you have another interface, that is mouse motion listener. You can see there is a motion keyword, means you are moving your mouse, you are dragging your mouse. Okay, these are the two listeners we have. So first of all, the name of interface is mouse listener. So for this interface, the name of event class is mouse event class. The name of registration method is add mouse listener. Then the name of adapter class is mouse adapter. And what list of methods we have in mouse listener interface? So these are the all methods. First method is mouse click, second method is mouse entered, third method is mouse exited, fourth method is mouse press, and last method is mouse release. Okay, mouse press. So whenever we will press the button of our mouse, then the mouse press event will get occurred. Whenever I will release the button of my mouse, then mouse release event will get occurred. Then mouse click. How mouse click is different from mouse press? So mouse click is basically the event which will get occurred whenever you will press and release. Whenever you will press your mouse button and you will release it, one click event will get occur. Okay, so understand the difference between press and release, press and click. Press is occurred whenever you will press mouse button, and click will occur whenever you will press and you will release your mouse button. Okay, this is mouse click event. So mouse click event involves both of these events, pressing and releasing. Okay, and then mouse entered and mouse exit. So whenever you will move your mouse to specific component, that is mouse entered, and whenever you will take out your mouse from that component, mouse exited. These are the 5 events in mouse listener: mouse press, mouse release, mouse click, mouse entered, and mouse exited. These are the 5 events. And now in mouse motion listener, we have 2 events: mouse drag and mouse move. So for mouse listener interface, which is registration method you have? Add mouse motion listener. Okay, and what is the name of adapter class you have here? Mouse motion adapter. This is name of class. And which 2 methods we have in mouse motion listener? We have mouse drag and mouse move. Now what is mouse move? Just like I am moving my mouse here, this is mouse move. And what is mouse drag? Mouse drag means you will press your mouse button and you will move your mouse, like I am selecting this text. How I am selecting this text? Because I am pressing my mouse button and then I am moving my mouse. This is mouse drag event. So these 2 events are available within which listener? Mouse motion listener. And which adapter class we have? Mouse motion adapter. Okay, so these are the two listeners we have for mouse related events. Now I will show you how we will implement this. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy this whole code and I will create one new file. Okay, here I will try to replace it and I will remove all these things. Okay, I will change this accordingly. It will save our time because already we have explained all these basics. Now okay, window listener as well we want, because we want to close our frame whenever we will click on close button. Okay, we will remove all these things. You can see demo 3 will be there, class name will be demo 3. Okay, now you can see basic code we got here, and we will save this file as demo3.java. Okay, now I will show you how we will add mouse listener here. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will write here event handling code. Now I will try to add first of all mouse listener to our frame. Okay, so how I will add it? So registration method name is add mouse listener. This is name of registration method, add mouse listener. Now as you know, I can pass the object of current class to this, and here I can implement mouse listener, and then here I can implement all methods of mouse listener interface. Or what I can do, I can use adapter class here directly, so it will save my code, it will save my time. Directly I will use here mouse adapter class. Now I will write here new mouse adapter. You can see here I have written it like this, and now here I am going to implement all different methods, implements all methods of mouse listener. This structure will be common. Just write down method whichever you want. Suppose I want now mouse press. So what I will write? Public void mouse press. See here, and this requires the object of mouse event class. So I will write here mouse event yummy. Okay, and write your logic. So what I will write? System.out.println, and here I will display message mouse press. Mouse press. You can see this is how I implemented. Now second method I will implement mouse release. So I will just duplicate this line, and here I will write mouse release, and only the thing I will change here, mouse release. Third method I will implement mouse click. So here the change will be mouse click like this, and I will change statement accordingly, mouse click. Now next method, okay, mouse entered and mouse exit, that I will show you shortly. First of all we will try to check this. Okay, so we will compile this code now. I will write demo, I will write javac demo3.java and java demo3, and now you can see we got this output. Now I will click within this frame. First of all I will press my mouse button. See here, now you can see here in command prompt we are getting the mouse press as an output. I have not released my button till now. Okay, that's why we are getting mouse press. Now I will release my mouse button, and you can see next statement you got mouse release. And as we have seen, whenever you will press your mouse and whenever you will release your mouse, which event will get occurred? Mouse click. So you can see one click got complete here. Okay, if I click it again, you can see here it is getting updated if I am clicking here within this frame. Okay, this is how. Now mouse entered and mouse exit. So for that, let's assume one panel over here. I will use one panel. Panel P1 is equal to new panel. Okay, and what I will do, I will set its size. Okay, so to do that, I will use set layout as null. So I will be able to set certain size for this panel. So panel 1 dot set bounds, and I will write the position, XY position, and width and height. And what I will do, I will set its color. So I will write P1 dot set background color dot red, and we will add this panel to our frame. Okay, panel P1 should be there. Now we want to handle mouse entered and mouse exit. So as soon as I will move my mouse inside this panel, which event will get occurred? Mouse entered. And as soon as I will move this mouse cursor outside of this panel, which event will get occurred? Mouse exited. Okay, so we will register the source with listener. So what I will do, I will write P1 dot add mouse listener. Okay, and here itself I can implement new mouse adapter. And which two methods I want to implement from mouse listener? One is public void mouse entered, and which object requires here? Mouse event me. Okay, and here what statement I want? System dot out dot println. I will write here statement mouse entered in panel, okay, and I will duplicate this, and here what change I will make? Mouse exited, and I will write here mouse exited from panel. Okay, this is how. Now let's try to check how it is working. Again I will compile. Okay, I have not compiled, I directly executed, so I need to compile it first of all. It got compiled. Now see here, there is one red panel you can see. Okay, now you can see rest of the events are occurring here. Okay, now let's try to understand mouse entered and exit. Now I am moving my mouse in panel. You can see as soon as I will move my mouse in panel, you can see in command prompt mouse entered in a panel. Okay, and now mouse exited from panel. You can see cursor is outside. So entered, exit, you can see. Okay, this is how you will come to know that when user is moving cursor on specific component. Okay, this is called mouse entered and mouse exit event. Okay, now next we will try to see mouse motion listener. Now what I will do, I will add mouse motion listener to this. Okay, so for that I will remove all this code and I will place that code here. We don't need it. I will write now code related to mouse motion listener. So add mouse motion listener. Which registration method we have seen? Add mouse motion listener. And here I am going to use adapter class. What is name of adapter class here? New mouse motion adapter. Name of adapter class is what? Mouse motion adapter. And now here I am going to implement two methods of this mouse motion listener interface. First method is public void mouse move. Okay, you can see these two methods, mouse move and mouse drag. So mouse move, and it requires the object of mouse event class again. So I will write here. Okay, now what statement I will write here? System.out.println, and I will write here mouse move, mouse move. Okay, second method I will implement mouse drag, and here I will write mouse drag. Okay, now save this code and let's try to check. So I will compile my file again, and now you can see here I am moving my mouse. As soon as I am moving, you can see here we are getting this mouse move. Now I will click my mouse button, I will press my mouse button, then I will move. You can see drag, mouse drag event got occurred. Okay, I will release it, you can see mouse move, mouse drag. Okay, so like this event you can implement, mouse move and mouse drag.